Welcome back to another. In today's video, we're gonna be playing Tornado Survival 2. I played this game a couple times, but it's been like about a month or something since the last time I've played this game. As right now, we just wait for this round to start, as we really have nothing to do until this. And for 50 seconds, or whenever this round starts. So let's see what is happening. We can absolutely see nothing. That's wonderful. Global wins on top. I have 7 wins. Nice. So we got 20 seconds left. As hopefully I do not die immediately because this game. I should turn up the volume so we can actually hear the game. No, there's no music to it, Mason. It's just random sounds. So this game is kind of like a natural disaster survival, but it's kind of like a natural disaster survival, but
it's a tornado game.
Yeah, it's a tornado game. So like,
still playing Men at Arms.
Nah, I'm doing a tornado game. I might do a full on. Like maybe Wednesday, I might go for try to play the full on game. I know on Wednesday I might play for the full game. I suggest going to the harbor. This building right here. But I want to have some action in this game, so I'm not gonna go to the harbor. And instead, I'm gonna get ran over by the tornado. Instead, I'm gonna go to the biggest building there is possibly here. W4
I know, right? It's like.
I am screwed, by the way, guys. If I die, I'm cooked. What?
Do you hear that?
How do I take damage from the? I guess it's so wait. If you gotta point near so you don't get back from it. As we are on one of the biggest buildings there. It's also a tornado. Let's see. We are on top of the. Oh. I'm literally in the middle of the city. I don't know how I'm not dead yet. Yeah, Mason? Oh, I'm dead, guys. How am I still alive? Oh, heck no. I gotta run, guys. That's a window. Oh! I'm dead. Well, I died, guys. So for this stream, it's probably just gonna be not stream vid. This video is probably gonna be as it's long as how many wins that it depends. So when I get one win, I might end this vid depending on how long it takes. If next round I get a win, I'll wait until the next round.
This is the endo, Riker.
Oh yeah. Oh nice. This random person sent me a connection request. I don't know why.
Wait, who did?
No clue. I did not accept it. As we go into round Let's do Southern. I want to go in that big building right there. But usually City always wins. But it looks like Southern is actually gonna win. Does City always win? No clue. I don't know what I'm talking about. So as we load in, oh yeah, we always do Southern. Yeah.
Imagine going into a game and then, like, you're leading a group of people and they go, "So we're safe here, right?" And you go, "I don't know."
Nah, you go, no, and then you full on get the heck out of there and let them all die. As we go to the biggest building, cause.
No, you know what you do?
Huh. So if we. If we fall, guys, we are dead. As I am doing the moonwalk, I am Michael Jackson. As it's an E4 tornado.
The coolest line in Five Nights at Freddy's is Nightmare Balloon Boy. He says, "Come closer," and then when you walk closer, he says, "Help me count my teeth." You know what that means, right?
Oh, shoot. There's a flying car!
Well, I mean, it's a tornado, bro.
Why does that guy have a gun? Oh, that's a flashlight.
Why does that guy have a gun?
But it's a flashlight. What? Oh, I'm dead! Oh, I'm still alive! I'm stuck! I have my leg stuck in the wall! I'm so dead, guys. I am underneath. I should be fine here. I'm chilling with this person. As I drink a Gatorade. I think
You know what it is?
I thought I would be safe. I was mid drinking my Gatorade. No. I was drinking my Gatorade. As maybe next vid or whatever, I'm gonna play all of the worlds of Men at Arms. I don't know. So like that vid will take maybe like 3 hours to make and to film, and probably like 7 hours to get put on YouTube. So I'm probably gonna do that once on the weekend, you know.
Okay.
Honestly, what I should do is I should do it at 12 on a Friday, so I spend like 3 hours. So I actually know what to do.
Just don't make a video. That time I would live stream if I could.
Yeah. Remember it was it's still tweaking.
It's still tweaking?
Yeah.
Did you break your computer?
No, I wasn't even using my computer for it. And it's only for
R.I.P. my granny. She got hit with the bazooka.
honestly, I'm gonna go to the Harvard area because this place is safe. Trust. Trust. I have persuaded absolutely 2 people. As now, bro, Bacon, get in here! Don't go towards it! Rest in peace, Bacon. Tell me as I... Hey! Hello, Bacon. Here. Hello. How the heck can you hear me? Can you? I think I'm 13.
Yeah, what are you talking about, bro?
Yeah, I have no clue. Sweet. Alright, I'm bored. Where the heck is this tornado? Nah. Alright. As as I went into the swimming pool today, it felt like I was in the. It felt cold as heck. I'm trying to make sense because it's winter and I'm going into a swimming pool. But yeah. As the tornado is literally right next to us.
It's still winter?
Yeah, I know. Is it winter? I have no clue.
Yeah, people are saying, oh yeah, it's winter, but I don't think so.
It's winter, but it doesn't feel like winter because it's like 80 degrees outside.
Why did it feel cold as heck, dude? I got frostbite from the pool.
Bro, from the pool? Because I went into the hot tub for a bit. You know?
You got a hot tub?
Yeah, I went to the hot tub and then I went to the. And then we went into the pool. I felt like 30 minus 30. It felt like 30 degrees.
You got both?
Huh.
I mean, the apartment has 2 pools, but no hot tub. It's like one, there's 2 sides of the apartment. 1 pool on each.
Yeah. As we have a.
Are we doxing ourselves?
Nah, we just. You dox yourself.
Cut that out of the video with CapCut, please.
I don't have CapCut. I don't edit my videos, Mason. I don't do any of that. You're cooked.
Oh no.
As recipes, Mason. I'm retarded. Chicken Man, get over here! Chicken Man!
What?
What? W chicken?
Chicken Man.
I don't think I should be in this place, but I should be fine. As now, we take a simple Gatorade.
More Gatorade.
Yeah. As we got 1 win in this game. I feel like I haven't really done it. Kind of lazy video. Cause there's not really any action. So let's go straight towards the tornado. I need to get a. I don't know. Let me in that helicopter. Alright.
You playing the tornado game?
Yeah, I'm in the tornado. What? Oh, God. What? Why do I do this? I kind of sold on my right there. I needed the action for you people, so you guys wouldn't get bored. So that's why I did that. Totally. So if we get a totally, it's not that much I got the game. Totally. Haha. Haha. Who is this person?
Oh, wait, is that copyrighted?
No clue. I'm
I'm having trouble trying to pee.
What? You're so gonna give me cancel from that, Mason. How dare you?
How?
I don't know. Mason. Brother?
Good to go, Nia. Nia, good to go. Am I good to go?
Oh, sure.
Yeah. I am Pibble. What? No. Better.
What?
What do you mean? What? It's Pibbles.
Oh, it's Pibble.
What? So not cool, bro.
As we have a pilot. Nice.
Your viewers are gonna hate you for saying that, right, guys?
For what?
Who's Pibbles? I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know about Pibble, okay?
Okay, it's...
La 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 la.
Is it Pibble a dog?
Duh.
Yeah, I know Pibble then. So if we survive this round, then we go...
We should make a video of perfect battles.
W. What the car hit me? I'm going into pharmacy.
What?
The car hit me. I'm going into the pharmacy.
You'll probably die at the pharmacy too because it's a tornado. Don't they lift up buildings?
I got medicine.
What is a medikit gonna do?
Heal me.
It's gonna make you dead in the middle of Little Italy, diddly bit of diddly diddly diddly.
One in the Ned Flanders.
Ned Flanders. What can I say? I'm just dead in the middle of Little Italy, diddly.
Yeah, I'm going.
Diddle by diddly.
Hey,
Diddly
come.
by diddly.
What the heck?
Are you getting arrested?
Nah. This is an alarm. What you mean? Okay, so I guess I gotta do some computer working. What? Oh! What? Oh, Reggie!
Oh, you should mention Asher. And tell him what Asher did.
Nah. That would be
No, I'll go viral.
I'm in the middle of a E4 tornado.
Remember when you were crashing out earlier?
We don't talk about that.
It was like a
Well, oh, Reggie, that roof fell off. Well, oh, Reggie. Is that blood or is that just dirt? I can't tell the difference. What happened to the building?
What?
What happened to the building? Elmo! Oh, that's... I thought that was Elmo. That's Sammy. Ah!
Sammy?
Ah!
My cousin?
You have a cousin named Sammy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's not the Steel Brain Runner. It's like...
So, as we've completed that, so that's gonna be a wrap up for today's video. Make sure you like, like, subscribe, and share if you want to. I don't really care. I don't know why I was like.
If you really want to, I don't really care.
So anyways, I'll catch you in the next video, guys. So, see ya.